Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 blender machine of 2026. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Blender machine. The 220 V3L 6-in-1 blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen companion designed for busy households. With its large 3-liter stainless steel jar, it easily handles blending, vegetable cutting, ice crushing, meat grinding, salad preparation, and juicing. The strong motor delivers smooth performance even with tough ingredients. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use, while the spacious capacity makes it perfect for family meals. Efficient, multifunctional, and easy to operate, this blender offers excellent value for everyday cooking needs. Number 4. Blender machine. The Biolomix cold press juicer is a powerful and efficient slow-masticating juice extractor designed for maximum nutrition. With its large 78mm feed chute, it easily fits whole fruits and vegetables, saving prep time. The 200W motor operates at a low 40-65 RPM, reducing heat and oxidation while preserving vitamins and natural flavor. It delivers high juice yield with minimal pulp and runs quietly. Easy to assemble and clean, it's perfect for daily healthy juicing at home. Number 3. Blender machine. The stainless steel fruit juicer with an 800W motor delivers strong, efficient performance for everyday juicing. Its powerful centrifugal system extracts maximum juice from fruits and vegetables in seconds. The big mouth feed chute easily fits whole apples and large produce, saving prep time. Built with durable stainless steel, it feels sturdy and long-lasting. Cleanup is simple thanks to detachable easy wash parts. Ideal for busy households, it offers fast, fresh juice with minimal effort. Number 2. Blender machine. The Biolomix cold press juicer is a reliable and efficient slow-masticating juicer designed for maximum nutrition and flavor. Powered by a quiet 200W motor operating at 40-65 RPM, it extracts juice gently to preserve vitamins and enzymes. The 75mm wide feed chute easily fits whole fruits, reducing prep time. Its sturdy build and easy-to-clean design make daily juicing simple and convenient. Ideal for fruits and vegetables, it delivers smooth, rich juice with minimal oxidation and dry pulp. Number 1. Blender machine. The Biolomix 3HP 2200W heavy-duty grade timer blender is a powerful, versatile kitchen companion built for serious performance. Its strong 3HP motor crushes ice effortlessly and blends smoothies, sauces, and soups to a silky consistency in seconds. The large 2 lbpa-free jar is durable and family-sized, while the built-in timer adds convenience and precision. From juicing fruits to processing food, this blender handles tough ingredients with ease, making it ideal for busy homes and small commercial use, settings included.